Okay, I don't want to say as expected, but we saw here some rejection as expected. I told you this is exactly the area where we could see the rejection between 125 and 120,000. We see very strong rejection here, and we see a lot of sellers stepping in. So we have to be cautious right now because, as I said, what we could see here, and it's not confirmed yet, we could see here rejection and we could retest again $110,000. Why $110,000, $111,000? Because it's exactly our previous all-time high. You see this, we are on the daily, we are watching on the daily, so each candle represents one daily close. So we got a very strong rejection here on the 23rd May, and we broke the rejection here exactly at the 9th July, no, at the 10th July. So that's nice, but however, we never retested it. So either it's now the moment, or we're pushing a little bit more upwards to the price target 12060k, and then retesting 110k. So I'm pretty sure we will catch some long positions, or not we, because we are not whales, but whales will catch some long positions because a lot of people going exactly in this last 2 days in crazy long positions because the market is pumping and everyone is getting hyped. Be careful here right now. So I never ever would suggest right now to go long. I mean, better to go short even. I wouldn't even go short, to be honest, right now, because just to be careful. But I mean, this could be probably 7% gains on 10x. It's 74%, 5x. It's how much? 35% gains, for example, and stop loss should be above, I would say, even 130k. So I mean, it's a risk reward ratio. It's pretty nice if we would step in here in a short position and go short. Risk rewards 0.76. Okay, it's not so nice, but if we would tighter set stop loss, it's 1.04. It's still not so nice, but yeah. Anyways, I wouldn't short here because we are in a clear bull trend. So this is a clear bullish trend and we are not trading against the trend. So I mean, there are professionals who can do it, but yeah, decide everyone on your own. However, I told you the price target, we hit perfectly our price target because here exactly we broke out the price target on 24k, so we reach 123 190. It's nice. As I said, it doesn't mean that we won't go to 125k today or tomorrow, but as it right now looks, we will not. But we have to watch 5 hours to close the daily candle, and if we're closing with this wick and below $120,000, then we could see, or there's a high likelihood that we will drop down to 110k. As I said, I don't expect that that's it and we are going now down and it's over. What I'm expecting more is, as I said, 110k or 108k, or in the worst case, this resistance line at around 106k to retest before we see another pump to 130k or even 140k. But yeah, okay. Something like that. Yeah, that's it. If you want to speak me about altcoins, tell me, write me down below which altcoins you want to speak. Ethereum versus Bitcoin, it's the most important which we have to watch in order to understand when we see Bitcoin pump. And you see here Ethereum. So if we see here pump, it means Ethereum outperforming Bitcoin because we're watching Ethereum versus Bitcoin. And you see, we had a pretty much consolidation since the 8th May 2025. So since several months, we have here consolidation. And what I want to see is to break here exactly 0.025. As soon as we break this massive resistance line, because we got once rejected, twice, and 3 times and 4 times. So in case we break it, this will be very bullish, and we would see 0.027, which means Bitcoin, Ethereum to around $4,000. Ethereum would outperform Bitcoin, and altcoins would follow because Ethereum is pumping, altcoins follow. So let's see, we got here rejection. Maybe we make it with another try, or if Bitcoin drops down to 110k, we could see here another drop to 0.024 or 0.023. It means Ethereum would even fall stronger, drop even stronger than Bitcoin, and then we see break through this massive resistance and we see Ethereum outperform Bitcoin. But thank you everyone for watching. I kiss you and see you later. Mwah.